Hi, this is Mike with Dermaglow, and welcome to Session 3 of the Dermaglow Post Grad. And this session may be the shortest of the entire series, but foundationally is applicable to everything that you do. So this week is about building what I call the action muscle. And the action muscle is that mechanism in us that turns our intention to complete a task into the actual completion. And success is about moving from intention to completion. It's one thing to want something, it's another to want something, make a plan to achieve it, and complete the steps of the plan. What I want for you to do this session is to begin 2 daily practices, and like a muscle, the more you work them, the more powerful they will become. The more powerful they become, the more powerful you will become. So my suggestion also is that you make this a permanent practice. So here's your first assignment. You want to write down and complete, and the operative word is complete, 6 tasks every day. Handwrite the tasks in your daily journal. Make them completely achievable by you. Don't write down tasks that rely on somebody else, because if that person doesn't come through, then you can't complete your list. The goal here is 100% completion every day. You want to start easy. It could be as simple as getting to work on time. And here's the key. Circle and celebrate each individual completion. Remember, success is in the small steps you take, so celebrate each small step, because that is what moves you closer to the realization of your vision. In addition, you want to celebrate the completion of all 6 tasks on your list. And maybe what you do is you give yourself permission, to get away and go for a walk, or go get, a milkshake or something. I mean, do something to reward yourself for completing your task. Again, the idea is to make your career a game, so you celebrate the victories. What happens is that celebration adds positive emotional energy to your actions, to your thoughts, and in itself becomes its own reward. And here's what we're really doing in this. What you're ultimately doing is building your own self-confidence and self-esteem. Every completion makes you stronger. Belief in yourself or self-esteem is essential. And like a muscle, you can grow that belief, but it takes practice over time. Think about it. You don't go to the gym one day a year and become a bodybuilder. Big dreams happen in little steps. And each little step you complete creates the inertia to take and complete the next step. It gets easier as we go. So this session, make no mistake, this isn't about working harder. It's not about being a good worker, a good employee, or, being skilled at doing a to-do list. This has very little to do with that. This is about you. This is about believing in yourself and your own capabilities. It is about being happy with what you do rather than doing something so you can be happy. And we've all been trained to believe that by doing we will get stuff, and then someday we'll have enough stuff from all our doing, and then we can be happy. That's backwards. When you enjoy what you do, the stuff is irrelevant. So by setting daily goals and achieving them, and then rewarding yourself for that success, you begin to enjoy doing. The pressure to complete is gone. It's the game mentality, and you're just playing the game. So the more we make it fun, the more fun it becomes. Again, like we said, very first session, it's a choice. You are at choice. And by being at choice, you empower yourself and you empower your career. And exercising that choice turns into a habit or a behavior, and that becomes your lifestyle. So, there are 6 absolutely achievable tasks that you complete and celebrate every day. You want to make this a habit for 21 days, and actually you just want to complete it. You just want to make it a habit. But give yourself 21 days of super easy things that create the habit for you. The second part of building the action muscle is to work on projects that you might not be able to complete today. So what you want to do is every day, and you can make this 10 minutes a day, you can make it an hour a week. The key is that you consistently set aside a time or times where you can move towards the completion of a project that is long-term and moves you towards the realization of your vision. This is a project that, you may not be able to complete today, but it moves you towards your goals. Planning and strategies are great long-term projects because by their very nature they are a work in process rather than an event. So in summary, every day, first you want to write down and complete 6 daily tasks. You want to complete them and celebrate that completion. Your day cannot end until they are all done. Second, invest a set period of time each week into a long-term project that brings you closer to the realization of your dreams. Again, this is Mike from Dermaglow. I want to thank you for taking the time. We wish you great success and joy, and we appreciate that you're investing into yourself. Great job. So next session, we start the marketing modules. And basically what we're going to do is we have a series of 7 different modules, and we're going to begin developing advanced skills to acquire and retain customers, and then we culminate that with a referral system that will help you build your business without having to spend or invest any money or time into advertising. So again, this is Mike with Dermaglow. Thank you. Bye now.